Nkosi yami, yakhothama phambi kwakho. Ungwele, akekho njengawe, akekho namandla afana nawakho. Ngihambe ezindaweni ezimnyama, ngilahlekile phakathi kwezilingo, ngakhala ebusuku ngingabonwa muntu, kodwa wena wangizwa, Nkosi. Lapho umhlaba ungilahla, wena wangamukela ngezandla zothando. Lapho amandla ami ephela, wena waba ngamandla empilo yami. Kubani ungafana nawe Baba? Kubani ungangithwala njengawe? UJesu kuphela. Izulu liyavuleka lapho ngibiza igama lakho, izingelosi ziyahlabelela lapho ngikudumisa. Inhliziyo yami igcwala ukuthula, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uyaphila. UyiNkosi YamaKhosi, umbusi wezulu nomhlaba. Akukho lutho olungenzeki kuwe, unguNkulunkulu onamandla. UyiNkosi YamaKhosi, King of all kings, King of all kings. UyiNkosi YamaKhosi, Lord of all lords. Siyakuphakamisa, siyakuphakamisa, siyakudumisa, siyakukhonza. Jesu wena wedwa. When my tears became my language, you understood every cry. When my heart was torn in pieces, you stayed right by my side. When I could not see tomorrow, your light was leading me on. Through every valley and shadow, your grace kept making me strong. Who can heal a broken spirit? Jesus can. Jesus can. Who can raise the dead to life? Jesus can. Jesus can. Heaven trembles at your presence. Mountains bow before your throne. All creation sings your glory. You deserve the highest praise. You are the King of kings. You are the Lord of lords. Forever you are reigning. Forever you abadala bephosi niqhele phambi kwesihlalo sobukhosi. Ibona izizwe zonke zimemeza Hosana, 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 Hosana. INkosi YamaKhosi, uyiNkosi YamaKhosi, iNkosi YamaKhosi, umbusi waphakade, umbusi waphakade. INkosi YamaKhosi, akekho njengawe Jesu, akekho, 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 akekho. Ibeka konke phambi kwakho, ibeka ulushumbu bami, ibeka ulushumbu bami, ibeka izinyembezi zami, ibeka impilo yami, ibeka impilo yami. Ngoba wena kuphela ufanele inkazimulo, ufanele, 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 ufanele. INkosi YamaKhosi, uyiNkosi YamaKhosi, uyiNkosi YamaKhosi. Phakathi uyabusa, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, forever and ever, you reign forevermore. Siyakuphakamisa, siyakudumisa, Hosana, Hosana, ungcwele. Oh yeah. INkosi YamaKhosi. INkosi yami, ngiyakhothama phambi kwakho. Ungcwele, ungcwele, ungcwele. Akekho njengawe.